everybody, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, guess what? I got HelloFresh, and the reason why I got HelloFresh is because with everything that's been going on lately, I don't want to go out in public. Now, yes, there might have been a lot of people that have touched this box beforehand, but I feel like I'm a little bit safer, I think, with this than going out in public, you know, exposing myself on this. So I'm like, I'm gonna get a HelloFresh meal because I haven't had it, and I'm pretty excited for that. So if you guys don't know what HelloFresh is a delivery service that delivers you 3 meals. Now you guys can upgrade to get more meals, but the price for 3 meals is $60. Like, I think it's like $59.95. I will not pay that price. They basically say it's like $10 a person per, $20 per meal, $10 a person. I don't know. I feel like it's a little expensive, but I understand like all the work that they put into it. But you guys know what? I'm super frugal, and if you guys want, I have a link that you guys can click below. You guys can get $40 off your first box. So I say just get the first box and cancel it. So you guys can get your first box for 20 bucks, which is awesome. There's usually different types of meals that you guys can choose. There's also meals that you can upgrade to where you pay like $5.99 a person. So technically it costs like $16 a meal. So it's up to you guys, but I will have a referral link below if you guys want to go ahead and use that. But it's super awesome. I've been using HelloFresh, I think, for 2 years now. So here they gave me a card. It says, welcome to America's #1 meal kit. And here are some tips. So this is something I've never seen before. I don't know if this is something that they have because of everything that is going on. But only thing that you guys really need is like butter, sugar, oil, pepper, and salt. But they pretty much give you everything else that you need. Another thing to do is check your stuff right away when you guys get it. I've had problems in the past. My last box, I actually had a chicken open and it like leaked everywhere. But they ended up giving me a credit for a whole entire new box. So check your meals because sometimes they're bad. So inside they give you a recipe card. So the meals that we are going to try is called Southwest Chicken, Sausage, and Rice Skillet. Graham wasn't a big fan of this this meal, but he's like, you know what, I'll try it. And the next one we got, which I've actually tried in the past, we've gotten this one I think 2 times before that, was Chicken Sausage Spaghetti Bolognese. Really love it. I really like it. You know, it's not too spicy. And then this one's I've been wanting to try forever, and Graham's like, no, don't try it. But this is mushroom penne with truffle cream sauce and Italian house salad. Now, I don't eat salad, which is fine, but Graham will eat it. But I'm super excited to try this meal. And what I end up doing is I put these recipes in a book. And so anytime we want to make this meal again, we actually just, you know, we put it in the book and then we get those ingredients. So it's kind of cool. But inside every box they give you like a little like a refrigerator thing in here. So if it's a hot summer day, they will make sure it's packaged. So in case you have to leave it on your porch all day, you can definitely do it. But every box has 3 bags. So this bag right here is the mushroom penne with truffle cream sauce. And then we got the sausage or chicken sausage spaghetti bolognese. Bolognese, I don't know. And then the Southwest chicken and sausage rice skillet. And then on the very, very bottom, you got your cardboard, and then they give you an ice pack. And this ice pack is still solid. It hasn't even melted. So you guys can pretty much, you know, save this ice pack for the summer. I always like using it, especially when you have parties. Just put it in your freezer and use it. But what they gave me is, since I think I only chose 2 different sausages, we got the sweet Italian chicken sausage mix and the sweet Italian chicken sausage mix. Wow, is I supposed to get chicken sausage in both of them? That's a truffle, chicken sausage, yeah, okay. So we got 2 things of chicken sausage, which is pretty easy. So I'm just going to show you guys what is in the mushroom penne. So we're just going to open this up. And it's pretty easy. So what inside I have is the Parmesan cheese. They give you just enough Parmesan cheese and sometimes a little bit extra, but I think this is so cute. This is white onions, I think is what this is. What is this? Scallions. I can never remember. And then here is for the salad. It says that it's been triple washed, but Here you got some greens. I'm not a salad person, but Graham will definitely eat that. And then we got a package of Italian dressing. We got some croutons. Cream cheese spread. So you got like a little thing of cream cheese, and then they give you also sour cream. And then I got a package of button mushrooms, 2 carrots, we got the penne noodles, and then here we got some seasoning. This is Truffle Seasoning, so this is something cool. So, and then another thing what we do is we keep all of our seasonings that they send us, and we put them in like little jars to use for other things. So that's kind of good. But that's basically what you get. You get everything that you need in the bag, and then you just provide certain things, and then they give you step-by-step instructions. So if you guys, you know, are bored and you want some food delivered instead of, you know, getting some other stuff, this is pretty good. You just click my referral link below, and you guys can get $40 off your first box. Just try it and cancel it. It's a pretty good deal. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys another time. I will also probably doing a video when we get to this. Graham works in the evenings, but I usually do a video that shows you what these meals turn out to be and to look like. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys another time. Bye-bye.